Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, folks. Michael Zuber, one rental at a time, back with his good friend Omar Alfaro. How you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
So
Fire
I,
sessions today.
oh yeah, 6 months of pain, real estate market changing. Oh, crazy, crazy. So I want to just share with you an idea I have. I'm doing this because somebody I go to it for advice, Jason Pritchard, shout out Jason Pritchard, tells me I have to get better clarity on my vision for what I call the hub, right? The hub in Fresno is a physical location that I own. So this is what I'm thinking, Omar. I want your feedback. I obviously want you to be a part of this. Uh,
Yeah, let's
but
do it.
but this is what the hub I want to be. I want the hub to be a physical location in Fresno, California, that is a tool, an asset, a vehicle to help people get on the property ladder, first-time home buyers, veterans, house hackers. Is a place for people that want to sell. Maybe you got a probate, maybe you get behind on payments, whatever it is. I want it to become an asset that people come to that want to have, that want help. But here's the wrinkle. I want to record how we're helping. I'm thinking this initially becomes a web series, but I can envision this becoming a TV series much better than the flipping shows, right? All the flipping shows and all of that thing. Think about Mary and Bob or Jose and Maria or whoever. They're first time home buyers, they're house hackers. They say, hey, we want to buy a home in Fresno. They come to the hub. All we have to do is say, hey, great, let's record your story. And then we'll get you connected with some real estate agents and mortgage brokers and all of these things. And then after 3 weeks, come back. What'd you learn? What'd you see? What'd you do? 3, 4, 6 weeks. How did it end? Did you get one? Did you not? Whatever. The whole idea is we help Maria and Jose, Mary and Bob, absolutely, without question. But we record them and we put them online to inspire thousands, tens of thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands of people around the country to know it is possible. We know that real estate makes people rich. We know that owners benefit from inflation and renters don't. We know all these powerful things. I am so lucky to be in a financial position where I can buy a 200K building and try this crazy idea. So again, the hub is going to have a spot. It's going to be the location, like, the hub. And we help people out of that office. But again, the only way this works is people have to be able to sit down for an interview. There's already a podcast room in the building. We will record those stories. We will connect them with our network, and we will help them to the finish line. I will make nothing on all of this, right? Other than a penny or two from a YouTube video, in full disclosure. That's not what I'm trying to do. I am trying to take real world experiences, one rental at a time. My second book, 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires, work because they're real stories. Now I want to go even deeper. I want to help first-time home buyers. If you are a first-time home buyer in Fresno, reach out. I want to help you. If you are a veteran looking to use your VA loan in Fresno, I want to help you. If you are young and you want to get started on house hacking in Fresno, I want to help you. But then we could do ADUs and we could do probate sales and we could do all these other amazing things. I want to take real people, real stories, document them, share them with the world to help thousands. What do you think of this crazy idea?
Not a crazy idea at all, Michael. Spot on. Obviously, this is you got the setup.
Mm-hmm.
It's there. So you just plug people in. And honestly, that's in essence, you're creating your own social media at the hub.
Yeah.
Because this is something that we see. This ain't nothing that we've seen. Like I have the idea of, my testimonials. How did I help you? Why did I help you? What did you go through? Et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then they give me a testimonial and I put it on my website, whatever the case. But this is freaking awesome because now it's like you're helping a first-time home buyer. You're going to help somebody that doesn't even know what to do to go buy a house and house hack, which is just get a roommate. Okay. Mm-hmm. And you could even take the extreme of like, hey, if you're losing your house and you need some help, like come on over, let me help you.
Yeah.
And let me put the puzzle together, not just separately, but together to find a common goal and get them to the that next chapter.
Yeah, get them to a better. Again, this helps for buyers and sellers. I mean, it's easier for buyers because they were getting on something. Some sellers will be in a bad spot. Again, think about sellers, right? Again, I've been very clear. We're going into a recession, job loss, job transfers, death, divorce. Hey, I just bought out my new home. We just moved in. We're getting a divorce. My husband's an alcoholic, whatever. We got to go. Help us get out. Come to us. Now let's tell the story. We won't use last names, so just be first names. Tell us. Then I have a great network in Fresno. The reason this works in Fresno is because I know people. Like I've had people reach out in these videos saying, hey, I'm in Philly. Hey, I'm in Chicago. Can you help me? No, I don't know anybody, at least nobody that I trust. The hub is a location I own. I can put people there. I can put resources there. We can have meetings there. And I know people. But again, the whole idea is if I can find people in Fresno that want to raise their hand, help me buy, help me sell. We document the beginning. We check in 3 or 4 weeks, and then we finish it off. These 3-part series just put on the web. Again, we will help that person, but it's not just that person. It's the 1,000 other people that are in the same situation that we can help.
That are watching.
Yes, exactly. So Jason Pritchard's helping me think bigger. I'm not comfortable at it, but I do see how this could become eventually a TV series, which again, I may or may not go for. Cause again, Thatch Nguyen, he talked about doing Burr on TV. I'm not sure I want to be beholden to a TV schedule. And again, the other thing I want to talk about is this is not me on camera. I want to be very clear. I vision the hub creating personalities. Right? Like you can be my FHA agent. Somebody already raised their hand. His name's Patrick Kim. I want to help the hub first-time home buyers. Great. I get leads. He works at Guarantee. I have no relationship with Guarantee. I have no idea. No relationship. But he raised his hand. I'm in. I want to get another agent that does house hacking. I want another agent that does VA. Ty, who TYLG. He steps up and he wants to be an anchor tenant because he has a California brokerage. He wants to stick people there. So again, he's going to hire some people in Fresno, put them on the team. This is what I want. People that want to invest and help, I will get behind. I will increase your presence. On these video series, I likely will appear in none of them. It'll just be filmed at the hub, filmed at the location that they're helping. I will help personalities build their pipe. Patrick Kim, I hope he sells 100 FHA homes because of this. Don't care, no interest. But if we document 100 stories, I'm in. Let's go.
Game changing. And it's not if, it's when.
Yeah. So again,
because most people will be like, hey, I want to share my story. I want to help.
Yeah.
And now it's going to be like, hey, I want to share.
Yeah.
I want to be vulnerable.
Yeah, exactly. And again, it's amazing to see, right? One rental at a time. The book was our story. Wild success. 15 conversation with millionaires, wild success. Now the hub doing on the ground, get on the property ladder, help people, just have help the middle class, all those things. It's going to help thousands and thousands of people around the country, but I need to help people in Fresno because I have that network and we can document and we have a location where we can record and shoot, I'm willing to invest more money there if I have to. I think this is going to be game changing. So I just want to keep saying it out loud, keep putting it out there. If you are in Fresno, an agent that want to help, if you are want to be a wholesaler investor, want to help, reach out to TY at TYLG.com. If you are somebody that wants to buy, I really want to talk to you. I want to get these first 3, 4, 5 recordings done just because I know it's going to help so many people.
Spot on. This is pretty dope. I like this a lot, actually. I'm taking a lot of notes here, Michael.
Very cool.
Well,
Omar,
awesome.
Where can people find you? Because your Invest with Omar is really doing some amazing things.
Yeah, guys, Invest with Omar on IG. Follow me there, omaralfaro.com. The new website's coming. And just make sure you follow.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome. Thanks.